Hi everyone, I've been looking everywhere for my glasses, they were in my hand. Would you believe it? Okay, what I'm going to do is a simple one, just to make sure that you can look at things if you're looking in you're outside, if you're looking at your scene in the countryside or wherever you are. Place everything in blocks, say, you know, like your trees, just one block of trees. Don't individualise everything, just keep it as one block. So here we go. I'll do a quick wash, a very loose, show you how to do a very loose, simple watercolour, very loose, no trying really. That's an area of land there. I'll just pick up some, all you need to pick up is some cobalt blue. I'm just trying to clean mine up a bit, it's a bit of black in it. Yeah, I'll just put some cobalt blue in it. It's pretty strong like that looks at the minute, it'll go down a lot. And just a little bit of your light red. But the light red and your cobalt makes a beautiful bluey grey see when you touch it like that. So you're making your own clouds. Just a bit, don't go over it, just a little bit of a rough edges there. So if you mix your blue there, that cobalt blue, if you mix your cobalt with a little bit of red, you get a lovely grey, don't you? Like that. No, I've not wet that sky at all. Just gone straight on. It would be easy to wet it though, so you can wet it. I'm just doing this because it's starting to run, can you see? So I'm stopping it with this. A bit of red and a little bit of blue again together. Just put a few clouds across, say. There we are. Now that blue, see, we'll get some cobalt again. And we'll just put some here in our pond here, see. A little pond we're doing here. Is that leaving some white spots? Try that. I'll do that, and then if we put reeds here, it'll not look out of place. Now we'll dry that, but we'll put a little bit of a hill. This is a flat area, green grass. We put up a little bit of a hill here, say, and some background hills after that. So if we put something like a bit of raw sienna, and a little bit of blue, Windsor blue and raw sienna, not too heavy, and we'll just bring it across here. Right. Like that. way, yeah. And then we'll just bring some, have to put a bit more raw sienna to it, because it's a bit like warmer glass here, there. And while we've got it, come across here. Not too high. We just put a bit more raw sienna. It can be a light patch there, and then when we put some dark round it, you see it'll make it look lively. Talk with that dark, bit of dark in here, because we've got that light just behind it. Now we'll put get some Windsor blue and a little bit of light red put together. Like, see, there's your Windsor blue, a bit of light red in it. Make it pretty weak. Put some more Windsor blue with it, and we'll just put a hill there like that. So. That's it, and we can just put a little bit of this in here. Now what I said was we're going to put some straggly trees here. Now put that area just here, we can put some trees in, distant trees, say it like this, say. So put some burnt umber with it now and get some strength. Like that, okay. Now we can, just here we'll put some reflections of the reeds in there. So we'll pick some Windsor blue. It's very strong there now because I've just and we'll put some Windsor yellow with it. Well, I hope it was all done okay. Just see how we go on.